Hello everyone. Today we will see chart access scaling in Excel. So let's start. This is our dataset where we can see top 10 companies with their respective revenues in 2023. So now we will turn the value of this cell into a single number. For that, type 394, and for billion we should give 9 zeros because there are 9 zeros in a billion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now from home menu, if we click on fill, we will see our flash fill is enabled here. Okay, so the advantage is now if I type only just a number, you can see the entire range will be done. So if I click just enter, we will see this is done. Now we can see this is quite scientific number and difficult to read. So, and if I select on any value, you will see general. So let's make it currency. I'm selecting the whole data set, and from here I'm selecting currency. Now you can see it is in currency. Now we need only this value, we don't need this. But if I delete this, for example, if I delete this, then it will be gone. Now copy this or cut this and paste it right here. Okay, so our data is done. Let's insert a chart here. First select the entire data set, then from insert here column, and let's select clustered column. Okay, you will see our chart is there. But here you, if you look, this is very difficult to read. Okay, all these vertical values. So let's make it easier to see. For that, double click on this, you will see this pop-up will come. Then from chart options, we should click on vertical value axis. Okay, so click on it, and then we should click on axis options, then again axis options. Here if you go down, you will see display units. So now none is selected. If I click on this, then different option will be shown. From here, let's click on billions. You can see billions is appeared here, and we can see that this is 100 billion, 1000 billion, 900 billion, 800 billion. Now this is very easy to visualize and read. I'm deleting this. From here we can, so the work is done. We have scaled the value of the axis in a very easy way. So now we can do some modifications for like we can include data labels, we can give axis titles. For example, here we can write revenues, here company's name or top 10 companies. Okay, we can do different modifications. So this is how we can scale the values of axis in Excel. That's all for today. Thank you very much.